You open your books. You stare at the page. Nothing goes in. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. Your brain just hates boring things. But what if you could change that? What if hard work actually felt good? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Welcome to Ultramind Hacks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to rewire your brain to actually enjoy studying and hard work, and I'll save the most powerful trick for last. So stick around. Here's the truth most people ignore. Your brain is built for survival, not success. It avoids pain and chases pleasure. Studying feels like pain, so your brain runs from it. Every time you avoid hard work, your brain learns to avoid it more. It becomes a habit of escape, and the longer you wait, the harder it gets. But here's the good news. You can train your brain, just like a muscle. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Shrink the task. Don't say, I'll study for 2 hours. Say, I'll study for just 5 minutes. That's it, 5 minutes. Your brain doesn't fear small things. Once you start, momentum kicks in. This is called the Zeigarnik Effect. Your brain hates unfinished tasks. Starting is the hardest part. After 5 minutes, you'll keep going naturally. Step 2. Reward the process, not the result. Most people reward themselves after finishing. That's wrong. Reward yourself during the work. Play your favorite music while studying. Drink your favorite coffee. Make the environment enjoyable. Your brain links pleasure with studying. Over time, it starts to crave it. This is called classical conditioning. The same way Pavlov trained his dogs. You can train your own brain. Step 3. Use the identity trick. Don't say, I hate studying. Say, I am someone who gets things done. Your actions follow your identity. If you see yourself as a hard worker, you'll start acting like one. This isn't just motivation talk. It's backed by psychology. James Clear calls it identity-based habits. You become what you repeatedly tell yourself, so change the story you tell yourself. Step 4. Make it a game. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Work with full focus. Then take a 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro Technique. It turns work into short challenges. Your brain loves challenges, it can win. Track your sessions like a score. The more sessions, the more dopamine. Dopamine is the feel-good chemical. It's the same thing that makes games addictive. Use it for your goals instead. Step 5. The future self-visualization. Before you study, close your eyes. Imagine your future self, successful, confident, free. Now ask, what did that version of you do today? They studied. They showed up. They did the hard thing. This bridges your present pain with future reward. It makes hard work feel meaningful. And meaningful work never feels like suffering. Now imagine waking up every day with energy, sitting down to work without resistance, finishing tasks and feeling proud. That's not a dream. That's what happens when your brain is trained right. 1 week of these habits and you'll feel the shift. 1 month in, others will notice the change. Here's the core truth. Motivation is not something you wait for. It's something you create through action. Don't wait to feel ready. Just start. The feeling follows. Every master was once a beginner who refused to quit. You're not behind. You're just getting started. Now pick 1 step from today. Just 1. Apply it tonight. Not tomorrow, tonight. If this helped you, hit that like button. It tells us to make more videos like this. Subscribe to Ultramind Hacks. We drop brain training content every week. Comment below, which step are you trying first? Your brain is not your enemy. Train it right, and it becomes your greatest weapon. See you in the next one.